Catfish. We are here in beautiful, picturesque Hout Bay, South Africa for the Night Harvest Contest. You have some of the best BMX and mountain bike riders in the world looking to throw down. Unfortunately, Mother Nature had other plans. It was a little bit windy tonight. We still got a lot of riding done. Check out what went down. It was awesome.
Really stoked to be back at Night Harvest this year. The trails here look even better than last year, and we've got more international riders out, so the event's growing and it's getting better every year.
Just got done here at the Night Harvest with everyone, killed it. Can't believe I came in first, man. So awesome. Mountain bikes, BMX, such a good event. Can't wait for next year. I hope the wind doesn't come back for sure.